So hello everyone. Our project title is the detection of kidney stones in ultrasound images using a median filter compared with rank filter. We have proceed about the next slide. Towards the next slide. In our team there are 4 members. We have from MIT Academy of Engineering, and we all have work on the above project. And regarding the problem statement, so our problem statement is related to ultrasonic image of kidney stone. As we know, the ultrasonic images is that they have low contrast and speckle noise. Due to that, it is very difficult to detect kidney stone, and also noise is inherent property of medical ultrasound imaging, as we know obviously, and it tends to reduce the image resolution and contrast, thereby reducing the diagnostic value of the imaging mobility. And let's say we have diverted towards our the process solution. Then our solution is so in that case we have proposed the solution about the problem statement, that is use of median filter for reducing the noise of ultrasonic image. So in the output we will get the higher resolution ultrasonic image with no noise, and it will enhance the image quality. Therefore human will correctly see the actual position of the kidney stone in kidney. Let's proceed toward the next slide. So about the introduction part, the ultrasonic imaging is one of the imaging techniques used for the diagnosis of kidney abnormalities. Ultrasound imaging is one of the imaging techniques used for the diagnosis of kidney abnormalities, and the disadvantages of the ultrasound images is that they have low contrast and speckle noise. It is challenging task for detection of kidney stones. The proposed algorithm is median filter. It works by moving through the image pixel by pixel, replacing each value with the median values of neighboring pixels, and it is particularly effective at removing noise while preserving edges. We have proceed towards the next slide. So about the literature survey, here in literature survey we have read some papers, and with the help of that we proposed our solution. So we have read 4 types of papers that is shown in the screen. Yeah, yeah, this is first, second, third and fourth. So about our objectives in our project, we have going to achieve 3 objectives, that is to improve the detection rate in terms of accuracy and sensitivity using median filter, and to do efficient second one is to do efficient detection of kidney stone, and third one is to be able to solve kidney stone detection problem in image. So proceed towards the next slide. So this is our proposed block diagram. In our block diagram there are 4 parts. First is input images, second is median filter, third one is the image processing, fourth one is morphing analysis, and last one is the end of the process. In the first stage, that is input images, in that stage we have collect the ultrasound images or collect the different data sets of kidney images for detection of stone. In second stage we have used the median filter. Median filter is used for the to remove the noise in ultrasound image using salt and paper, so that it can be detect the stone. Third process is this in the third stage, image processing. In that image processing, the image processing does the improvement of the image data that suppresses unwilling distortion or enhances some image features. And let's say going towards the last stage of the image processing, that is image morphing. The morphing is used for the edge detection of the image. So this is our block diagram explanation, and this is the theoretical concept about the block diagram. So let's divert towards about the next slide. This is our MATLAB simulation. We have used the MATLAB 2014 tool for simulating the code, and this is the output. Actually we have shown only the output. In that output we have seen in the command window there will be noted is no stone is detected. Because of the our output image, we have no seen uh, we have actually not see the actual kidney stone. And propose toward the next slide, we have seen the command window stone is detected. So in figure 1 we have see the circular shape of stone, which is the high resolution and high contrast. So this is the step by step kidney stone detection of the stone. There will be there there will be 12 stages for detecting the stone, as we have seen on the screen. And the last one is our conclusion slide. Based on the result and tabulations, the detection rate of the kidney stones in the ultrasonic images using median filters is improved in the terms of accuracy 86.4 and the sensitivity is 87.7% as compared with the accuracy and sensitivity of rank filter, that is 82.2% and 82.5%. This is our the slide. And before the thank you, we have see the code. This is the code. Actually we currently we are not have the offline MATLAB. That's why we have that's why I'm showing the code on notepad. This is our proposed code. In that code we have pick the image from the memory, and it will be converted to the grayscale image. And after some with the help of the formulas, we can detect the stone with the help of if else condition. And this is our code. Yeah, now it is the thank you slide from mine slide. Yeah, thank you everyone. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.